Wow!
So today we have here brand new Kawai grand piano. Came here yesterday and the keyboard is stuck. We cannot play on it, so I have to take the transport thing out of the piano. And you can follow me what I'm gonna do. So here I'm going to take the transport things out of the piano. Start taking this thing off. It off. So this is here, they put it here inside so the hammers are not going everywhere in the transport. So they hold it tied down here so it's not moving. Again, see that when I play that the dampers are not in right position, it's still working. I see that this one here is not in right position, so I have to, the dampers are too high, you know, they're not going all the way down. So I have to go under the piano and put it in the right position. So you see it here, it's now this wooden piece was not in the right position. So it's working now. Just gonna try it again. Sorry. So many guns piano here. Not very often we see under them, all of them. Like here.
hérna, byrju bakkur þessar að taka þetta allt út.
Af hverju?
Ég er alltaf bara með þetta í fanginu.
Já, ég var að laga demparinn líka, þeir satt ekki uppi.
Já, það er eins gott að ég gerði þetta ekki. Wow! Það var fyrsti tónni dagsins og hann var rifinn og skakkur.
So everything is fine now. I put it together, and everybody will be happy. So they have all kind of plastic here to protect the grand piano from the transport here, also plastic. So the polyester lac will not damage. Thanks for watching. If you are new, my name is Davíð. The work is finished. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos like this.